Hey guys, I'm going to use these three cars to illustrate the caster jacking effect to help you understand front alignments a little better. Here we have a car with zero caster, zero camber, no jacking. The tires are flat through the entire steering sweep. Here we have a car with a moderate amount of caster and a moderate amount of camber for a drift car. And it has a moderate amount of jacking. You can see the tires are on edge, and that raises up the front a little bit, transferring weight to the rear. The leading tire has more jacking, which cross jacks weight to the trailing tire. I will show you guys some images of the scale stuff here in a second, so you can see the cross-jacking effect on the scale and how it literally transfers weight. So this is a moderate amount of caster and camber and cross-jacking. And here we have the most extreme. Three-wheeling. This is when you have all the caster, plus some scrub. You can jack so much that it will lift the other tire. Like, look, this car is just stationary and it's jacking and three-wheeling. So let me show you how this stuff looks on the chassis. No caster. The caster is the angle of the upper control arm relative to the lower control arm. See how they're stacked directly atop each other, 90 degrees. Meow. Medium caster over here. Sorry. This is the price you pay when you try to do one take, no edits, folks. Medium amount of caster. You can see the the lower is slightly ahead of the upper. And all the caster. Upper control arm flipped, that's reversed. See? Reverse it, space it all the way back, you get all the caster. And viewed from the side, that's what all the caster does. It makes it where at angle, the tire leans over so hard that it picks up the suspension, picks up the car. But the only reason that works is there's some other secret stuff going on. Where are my shocks? I'll make a whole video about this car later, don't you worry. Anyway, this is like my follow-up to the alignment archetypes. Constant flat patch, no caster. A sweep that goes from positive to zero to negative, or I said that in reverse, negative to zero to positive. And a super aggressive sweep that goes super positive. Alignment archetypes. All right, guys. So I have the Zero-spec car on the scale right now, and I have the steering set to straight. Watch what happens when I turn the car to the left. See how the rear gets a little bit of weight? So this car has a very mild amount of cross-jacking. You can see we're cross-jacking, what, maybe 20 grams max? So it's very mild. That's the Zero-spec cross-jacking effect. Now let me throw on the middle spec. Middle spec car is on the scale, steering is straight. Now I'm going to turn it left again. Watch what happens to the rear right. See the difference between the rear left and the rear right weight? That is cross-jacking. That comes from caster and camber working together to cross-jack. Now let me show you what the three-wheeling car looks like on the scales. This is the most extreme cross-jacked car. See the rears? Now I'm going to turn it left. Look at that. That is insane. 500 grams. So there you have the measured difference of how much weight is being transferred when you have a ton of caster. Hopefully that helps you better understand cross-jacking.